Hello, welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
For today's video, we have a fun Zara haul. I haven't done a haul in a very long time, and since we're switching over to spring summer and I've been purchasing some pieces from Zara to fill in the gaps from this spring summer trend, I thought I'll come up here and share the new pieces that I purchased with you. And before moving on to the haul, need to do a quick plug. If you haven't already, check me out on TikTok as well as Instagram. I usually post on there daily, from stories to everyday outfit ideas to help you out in dressing up every day for work and other occasions. And if you are following me, don't be shy to say hello. For the first piece, I'm actually wearing it right now. It's this, I want to say it's a shirt jacket, which has been trending throughout the winter time as well as last fall season as well. But during spring and summer, the fabric has lightened a lot. This is in a tweed-like fabric, and I bought it a little bit oversized so that it kind of just like drapes off my body, and it's an easy summer jacket that you can wear if you know you're in and out of places like with high AC. I mention it a lot, I have pretty sensitive temperature, like in terms of getting cold, so this jacket is perfect in terms of for my needs. This jacket, actually, when I bought it, my husband really liked it too, so he got an extra large for himself to wear. And yeah, sometimes, you know, men can shop in women's department as well as me shopping in men's department. And what I love about these, and we all do, it has pockets. And yeah, I love this jacket. I've already worn it once out and I can't wait to wear it more often. Next up, we have this pair of wide leg jeans. I've actually worn this too. If you are following me on Instagram, I styled, I believe, like 2 outfits with these. I've been wearing them a lot actually. This fit is really well done. The only little complaint I do have is the denim, but I guess it's wide leg, so it doesn't need too much stretch. It doesn't have a lot of stretch, and in order for it to fit me nicely on the waist, it does feel a little bit tight when I'm pulling it up. It's fine, it fits me perfect once it's on. It's just, you know, when you get in and out, you kind of have to do the little wiggle. These are wide leg jeans. Wide leg jeans are super trending this season. Gives it that 70s vintage look, which I think is really trending. It goes really well with the tweed fabric as well, or anything a little bit dressier. It kind of gives it a little bit more of a flair to your outfit. And speaking of wide leg pants, wide legs are popular among the more dressier pant styles as well. This pair here is like a dress pant, but with the wide leg, it has, you know, kind of more of a structure to it, but at the same time it's very flowy, easy to wear. This season you'll see a lot of these, and I actually got one pair in black because, you know, black goes with everything. I also got a pair in a cream color, which I think would be a good contrast to lighter outfits, and, you know, wearing with a white t-shirt, and if I were to wear it on the weekends, a little bit more on the casual end. Next up, we have tops, and this season is all about the crop tops. I've always loved them. I find that wearing crop tops, especially when layered over with a oversized jacket like the one I'm wearing, it's a good way to balance things out and kind of not look overwhelmed with oversized clothes. Balancing, you know, a slightly more fitted top and then layering it over with an oversized jacket. And this top here from Zara is super cute, easy fit. It does a crisscross here in the front and it fits perfectly. Then from the back, it's actually quite moderately in length and it actually covers a lot. You're mainly showing the front midriff, and then the back, it keeps it, I guess, minimal in the sense. I think it's a perfect top to wear easily with jeans, and you can easily wear this under a blazer for a cute combo as well. Next up, we have this cute corset style with a printed floral pattern on it, pink and orange tones. Pink is definitely having a moment this spring summer. I'm embracing it. I love pink, and I think after 2 years of pandemic, we're ready to come out in colors and just enjoy a fun spring summer. Next up, we have this sateen pink cami, fairly basic and simple, classic fit with a cowl neck that drapes in the front. I got this because I think, you know, this will never go out of style. It will easily go with any outfit, and you can layer it inside a blazer and add some color to your look. This is just an easy combo. I do appreciate that, you know, Zara didn't cheap out and added the adjustments on the straps in the back, so you can easily adjust the length to how it best fits you. It is a cross back, so the straps just go across in the back here. Yeah, fairly simple, straightforward top, but super cute. And once you accessorize, I think it will make a cute outfit. Next up, this top is definitely out of the ordinary for me. I think like a lot of us, we've been indoors and locked away for 2 years, or even when we do go out, I don't think we've fully enjoyed ourselves. And you know, I'm like, I'm just gonna wear something that I might not usually wear and just have fun. And this top with the puffy sleeves, you'll see them in a lot of brands in different fabrics. I just saw another one on Revolve, I believe, and they had the puffy sleeve in this mesh see-through fabric, and it looked really cute too. So this, although is not my usual style that I would wear, I'm definitely looking forward to styling these up now that COVID is on the DL. Next up, we have another outerwear piece. It's a blazer trench long. It goes all the way to the ankle, and I love this piece. I bought it in mediums to have that more oversized look as well. I really like this fabric. It's super slinky and easy to wear, very soft, perfect for spring, summer. It's not your traditional trench coat. I think it's a good twist to a traditional silhouette. A lot of people wear trench coats, and depending on your body type, sometimes trench coats can be very overwhelming. This is almost more like a blazer fit, but it has the trench coat elements, which I think works so much better, and for me at least, and I think it's so much more easier to wear on an everyday basis. Last but not least, a dress. I'm not always a dress person, but once in the blue moon I do wear a dress, and if I do, it's usually a longer or midi length, and this is exactly that. And I really love this fit. It's so cute on, it fits perfectly, it hugs you in all the right places, and you can wear it alone, or you can easily pair it and wear it under a jacket for a more, you know, if you're going out at night or when it gets chillier or it gets windy or whatnot. Fairly versatile, and the color itself, it's, you know, just a classic color, minimal, but at the same time the military green adds a little something to your look. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed this quick Zara spring summer haul. I definitely enjoyed sharing these pieces with you, and I can't wait to wear some summer and spring outfits out. And of course, as always, if you've been watching this video up until now and you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you enjoy fashion and lifestyle content, do check out my other videos in this channel. Thank you again, and I wish you guys a great week ahead. I'll see you guys on the next video.